What comes up must go down, and when you stop smiling, the blusher is so low down. Hey everyone, okay, so a few days ago on a client, I did the most beautiful makeup and also shared some skincare and of course makeup tips and tricks, and I'm going to share them with you right now because they can make all the difference. So these are my 4 anti-aging tricks that actually work. So the first one is something that I call the Y4 nighttime sandwich method. Now, I've talked about Tursian a few times before, and it is fast becoming not only a brand I love for myself, but one that I recommend because it works. So I apply the Tursian Y4 Advanced Youth Complex first to clean bare skin at night. Now this is ultra lightweight yet richly formulated. And this has clinical, performance-driven ingredients, yet they are gentle enough for everyday use. So this works with the skin and not against it. And of course it addresses the concerns that bother me and most people, which is fine lines, hydration, and firmness. So after I've applied the Tursian Y4, I then wait for it to be absorbed and I apply a thin layer of a prescription strength retinoid. Wait about 10 minutes. Now, this is where the magic happens. You then apply a second layer of the Tursian Y4 right on top. Now, the Y4 creates this protective barrier and this supercharges everything. Now, I've been doing this for a few months now and I swear my skin has never looked better. Oh, and this formula contains 65.5% active formula. That is mind-boggling. I saw visible improvements fast, smoother skin, less noticeable lines, and I swear firmer skin. And that is a biggie for me. Oh, and by the way, there's a glow that's real, not forced when you do this. And that's what I love. Now, the second trick is mixing the Tursian Y4 with your foundation. Now, what I do is I take a small amount of NARS Sheer Glow and mix it with a small amount of the Y4. Now, this creates the most beautiful skin tint. It's like your skin, but better. No cake, no mask-like finish, just healthy, glowing skin that moves with you. But it's been super packed with that Y4 complex, meaning you've got a next generation hybrid skin tint. And look how amazing the skin looks. Now, number 3 is the inner corner concealer trick. Now, most people, of course, put concealer everywhere. And of course, under the eyes, around the nose, on every blemish in sight. So here's what we're going to do instead. I only apply the concealer to the inner corners of the eye and I blend it down towards the cheek. Now this instantly lifts that eye area, making you look more awake without any of that heavy overdone concealer look. It just gives you that cliche lit from within look. And fourth trick is the proper blush placement. Stop putting blusher on the apples of your cheeks. I know everyone talks about it, smile and apply it here, but what comes up must go down. And when you stop smiling, the blusher is so low down, and that is aging. Instead, apply it high up on your cheekbones. This lifts everything up and creates that super youthful, sculpted look. These 4 tricks have completely changed how I approach anti-aging skincare and makeup. It's not a complicated routine, no 24-step process. This is simple techniques that work with your skin, not against it. Because at the end of the day, you want to look like the best version of yourself and not someone else. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all soon. Bye-bye.